Hello, this is Mystic Nigby. This is going to be the Lockpicking horoscope for Pisces. Today, your innate sensitivity will allow you to detect the very faint feedback from a dirty Euro cylinder. Use this wisely, as it will not last the whole day. A conversation with a stranger will help you to work out the binding order on the ABIS you've been working on, or the combination of a 70mm Masterlock XL discus padlock will reveal itself in a cryptic dream. Later in the month, you will be excited about having a very long picking session, but unfortunately it will not end well. Even your favourite comfort locks will not open. Don't be discouraged. Perhaps this is the day to polish your picks instead. Beware of serrated pins towards the end of the month. Lucky pick profile, the medium SS Dev.